Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing a Bjorn Borg underwear haul and review. So let's get into it. So today I have two from the Essentials range and one double pack from the Core range. Now the Essentials are mid shorts and the double pack is just shorts. So I'm going to start with the single packs first. Now the single packs are meant to be like an everyday kind of essential range, and I picked up two different colors. So the first one I have here is this black and white like stripe print one. So it's very basic, very, you know, kind of nautical themed. As you can see, it's got all the perfect support on the front for these underwear, and it's got such a really nice band here. It's super soft, and I just like the color on this one. The color on this one is very in right now. It's very stripy since this year was the year of the stripes. And I just like the support this one overall gives, and it fits really nice on. So that is this one. This is the black and white. The next one I actually picked up was the teal one. I really love this color. It's like a very good basic color. And I love that the band with the logo in it has a contrasting aqua teal color as well. So as you can see here, this is probably my favorite of the two. Really love this underwear. It's super soft. And it's the same as the other one, and you can see here on the hemline it's actually super soft too. It's not going to be coarse or abrasive over time. I just love all the support that this underwear actually gives you. So if you have a hectic sporty lifestyle, this keeps you going longer, and it just feels really good. And the band on this one looks super sleek on it as well. So if you want something that is a bit more different, you can get the everyday range, which is this one and this one. So that's your two options for this one. They are the essential ones, and they're the mid shorts too, and they have such a really nice fit on them. Bjorn Borg really outdoes themselves when it comes to getting support on underwear. So if you want another alternative to this, then you have the Core edition, which is this double pack that I have here. So let me take this out. So these are like engineered for pretty much the perfect fit. So this is one of them. It's like this bloom pattern, kind of florally, which is kind of cool. I like this one. And it's white on the inside, which I'm not a big fan of. I'm not really into underwear that is white on the inside but patterned on the outside. But you know, each to their own. If you want something a little bit more fun, the floral print one has got you covered with this one. So this is the other one, which I really love this print, and it is the koi fish one. So it looks like this right here. You can see the pattern of the koi fish on it. It makes it look like you're looking into a pool and you're looking face down and you're seeing all these like koi fish swimming around. So if you want a pattern like that, then this is a good two pack to get for you. Personally, this is my favorite of the two, and that's what drew me into this pack, because it's very Japanese style and I just like it. It's really cool, a little bit interesting, a little bit of pattern is fun to play around with your underwear as well. So the Essential and the Core are pretty much the kind of exact same underwear. Overall, the material feels a little bit more better on the Essential because there's patterns on the Core ones. Other than that, it's the exact same. You're getting the great quality and you're getting the great support. But overall, Bjorn Borg does some really great underwear. It's one of my very first favorite underwears outside of the realm of Calvin Klein or any other brands that I wore that was more like high street. But yeah, this really does get the job done. If you're a more sporty, athletic person, like Bjorn Borg really knows how to make really good underwear. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this underwear review video. Make sure to give it a big old like, subscribe for more content, and leave a comment down below which one was your favorite, and I'll talk to you next time. Hope you have an awesome day wherever you may be. Bye-bye. So the video you're just watching has just ended, but don't worry, you can go watch one of my old videos right here, or you can go and subscribe right here and be notified when my next video comes out so you don't have to miss any of the action. So thank you, and goodbye.